systems of the frog, we'll first start our discussion with the digestive system of the frog. Okay, coming to its digestive system, the digestive system majorly consists of two parts. The frog shows adaptations for amphibian life. Now let us study the internal structures, that is, let us go in deep into the anatomy of frog. So its organs are highly organized into different organ systems, and each organ system performs a different function. Okay, so the frog has a body cavity, and inside the body cavity it consists of digestive, respiratory, circulatory, excretory, nervous and reproductive systems, and each of them are divided to perform a different and specific function. Frog has a body cavity, and inside the body cavity we have different types of organ systems. What organ systems we have? First we have the digestive system, then the respiratory system, after that we have a circulatory system, then is our excretory system. After the excretory system, it's nervous system, and then we have a reproductive system. We'll in detail study about all these systems of the frog. We'll first start our discussion with the digestive system of the frog. Okay, coming to its digestive system, the digestive system majorly consists of two parts. The digestive system consists of a alimentary canal. Okay, the digestive system consists of an alimentary canal and the digestive glands. So let us see what is an alimentary canal. Under alimentary canal we have a group of organs, that is, the alimentary canal starts from the mouth of frog. If it eats something, okay, let us think that a frog ingested an insect, so the insect first enter into its mouth. The food of frog enters mouth. From mouth it goes into the buccal cavity. From the buccal cavity it moves into the pharynx. From the pharynx it goes to the esophagus. Okay, from where it reaches the stomach. So after the stomach we have our intestines. From the intestines it goes to the rectum. From the rectum it reaches a common opening, that is the cloaca. So all these organs starting from the mouth to cloaca, they form our alimentary canal of the frog. So the important point here, the most questions are asked that as the frog is carnivorous, its intestine is short. Okay, in herbivorous animals we have long intestines. As they eat grass and raw materials, they need more time for the digestion, whereas when you eat other animals, the other organisms, they doesn't take much time in digestion, so their intestines are shorter. In the herbivorous animals the intestines are longer. So this forms our alimentary canal. Coming to the digestive glands, liver is there, which secretes bile. Okay, this bile secreted is stored in the gallbladder, and then after liver we have pancreas. So pancreas secretes pancreatic juice. Okay, this pancreatic juice will help in the digestion. Okay, how do this pancreatic juice help in the food digestion? Coming to the digestion process, we will now see the digestion process stepwise. How do digestion occur? So first, starting from the capture of food, the food is captured by the bilobe tongue of the frog. Frog have a bilobe tongue. So the first process that happens is the food is captured by the bilobed tongue of the frog. So after this the food goes through the buccal cavity, pharynx, esophagus, and it reaches the stomach. What happens in the stomach? In stomach the HCl and gastric juice are released. Okay, these will turn the food into chyme. They help in the digestion. Now what happens from the stomach? The chyme enters duodenum. Okay, from the stomach, the chyme enters the duodenum. Here in the duodenum, the chyme receives pancreatic juice via common bile duct. Okay, as the food reaches duodenum from the common bile duct, the chyme part will receive the pancreatic juice. Even this will help in the digestion. Okay, so from the common bile duct, chyme receives bile plus pancreatic juice. Both bile and pancreatic juice are received from the common bile duct. So what is the function of this bile and pancreatic juice? Bile will emulsify the fat. Bile will emulsify the fat present in the food. Coming to the pancreatic juice, it digests proteins and carbohydrates. Okay, bile emulsifies the fat, and the pancreatic juice that is present, it digests the carbohydrates. Okay, after this, the next final digestion will occur in the intestines. The next digestion occurs in the intestines. After digestion in the intestine, the food that's digested is absorbed by villi and microvilli. Villi and microvilli, or like on the intestine wall we have some structures like this. Those are called villi and microvilli, which helps in the absorption of useful materials into the body. They absorb food into the body. Now the material that is remained, the undigested material that is remained, that passes into the rectum and cloaca and is excreted out. After the food absorption by the villi and microvilli, the undigested waste will move to the rectum. From the rectum it moves to the cloaca. Okay, so what is the cloaca? Cloaca is a common opening for digestive tract, excretory tract and the reproductive tract. This point we have also studied in the animal kingdom, that the frog has a common opening called cloaca, which is the common opening for the excretory tract, digestive tract and the reproductive tract. So in the digestive system we have seen about the alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal has a group of organs, the organs starting from the mouth to the cloaca. So all these will form our alimentary canal. Coming to the glands, the first one is liver, which secretes bile, and the pancreatic juice. Both the bile and pancreatic juice will reach the chyme through common bile duct in the duodenum, where the bile emulsifies the fat and the pancreatic juice will help in the digestion of proteins and carbohydrates. The intestine of frog is shorter as they are carnivorous, because in herbivorous we have longer intestine as they need more time for the digestion of food they ingest. As frog depends on other organisms, they doesn't take much time in digestion. The raw grass and starch, that takes more time to digest. Okay, we have seen the process of digestion, that is food is captured by a bilobe tongue from which it enters the stomach. In stomach, HCl and gastric acid will react on the food and they help in digestion and form the chyme. Chyme reaches duodenum. In duodenum they receive bile and pancreatic juice, from where they go to the intestine. In the intestine the food is absorbed into villi and microvilli. The undigested waste food will move into the rectum, and from the rectum the food goes to the common opening cloaca. So with this the digestion is completed. Next we will see the respiratory system. Coming to the respiratory system, the frogs have dual mode of respiration. They have a dual mode of respiration. Like in water they does cutaneous respiration. In water they does cutaneous respiration, where its moist skin will act as the respiratory organ. Okay, the oxygen will enter through the moist skin and will enter into its body. In this way, in water it does cutaneous respiration. Where coming onto the land, on land it does respiration through skin, through buccal cavity, and also through lungs. On land it has many options. It does respiration by skin, by buccal cavity, and also by lungs. Let us see how do the lungs of frog look. Lungs of frog, there are a pair of lungs, that is a pair of elongated lungs. Okay, here you can see the structure. The lungs look something like this. They are elongated. The pair of elongated lung, they are pink color, sac-like structures. They are pink in color. You can see in the picture that they are pink in color and they are sac-like structures. They are located in the thoracic region. They are located in the thoracic region. So coming to the air path, how do the air...
While doubts stay uncleared, hours of self-study, yet biology still feels confusing. Because sometimes you don't need more lectures, you need personal guidance. At Crack Mentors, students get live personalized online one-on-one biology classes with dedicated faculty support, personal doubt solving, and focused improvement strategy.